So, we'll be going through the first test of GTO series, and this is group discussion. I'll be giving you two topics and a time of 2 minutes to select one topic out of these two. My first topic is what you feel is the biggest hurdle in front of India to get permanent seat in United Nations Security Council. Is it China's opposition? Is it disagreement on membership without veto power in General Assembly itself? Is it the Western concern that India may not align with US priorities? My second topic is what is the main reason for poor air quality index in Delhi and NCR? As we all know, 18th of November 2024, the AQI of Delhi and NCR reached up to 491, which is the worst one. So what you feel is the biggest reason behind this? Is it vehicle emissions? Is it stubble burning in the neighboring states? Is it lower wind speed and sudden temperature drop in Delhi and NCR region? I'll be giving you 2 minutes of time to select one topic out of these two. Time starts now.
I think, friends, the first topic is more familiar to us. Most of us know about that.
I strongly agree with chess number 142.
I think
That
second
we said that
topic
we
is
are
best way
possible.
possible
We
to
have
proceed
seen
ahead.
about air pollution in Delhi. So we should discuss about on this topic.
All
That air pollution-
of us know that China and the UN Seat Council makes a huge difference for us. So we need to be very particular about the topic. I believe most of us are agreeing on topic 1. So we'll proceed ahead topic 1.
I agree with the chess.
Strongly agree with one topic
Okay,
for
we
China.
are
We should go with that
speaking
topic
about
first. And
Topic first, so we should.
So, I believe all of you agrees to topic number 1. I will repeat the topic once again. Topic is what you feel is the biggest hurdle in front of India to get permanent seat in United Nations Security Council. Is it China's opposition? Is it disagreement on membership increment without veto power? Like there are countries, Canada, Egypt, or even Turkey, Pakistan. They are saying that they don't want any kind of increment in permanent seats now. Is it that the reason? Or you feel Western countries have a concern that India may not align with the United States priorities? I will be giving you 10 minutes of time to go for a group discussion and look for a conclusion. Your time starts now.
gentlemen, I think that China is the main reason for we not getting the veto power in the UN. Because
Yeah, I agree with 38 that China's agreement, China's strategy is not allowing us because we know that China
I believe that one more concern we are supposed to have. The main concern over here is always it is the history of United States as well as the Western countries. They have always been very ignorant about our issues because the Indian subcontinent has always been the top priority for development.
Yeah, I agree with 38 that Western countries have always supported us, but China is our major competitor and he never trusts.
China is the only country in UNSC who is opposing India's permanent seat.
Yeah, just about 45 is right. China opposes
Rest of all countries are like
China is there. India will become the permanent member. Then
and also join the
You
UN
can very easily use the veto power in order to give us a
getting
strong
the
feedback.
opportunity from India.
We have a major drawback over here because China
We
is
can,
our
yes.
Sure,
We can
please.
analyze the time period of 2016 to 2019. Our Prime Minister have put a lots of effort to get a permanent seat in the United Nations Security Council. But in the at the end of this, China obstructed
Yeah,
our
China-
path to
yeah.
get a United
Yes, I
Nations.
agree.
I agree
China
with that. China
But the problem here even though we are talking on bilateral ties, but China is not agreeing to our terms, and we definitely know that China will use veto power
As I
against
totally
us.
agree with you all, but as we know the nature of USA, US is always wanted to dominate the whole world. So as India is
I
going day by
partially
day,
agree with one to three
as India
because
is
of
growing day by
US
day and
also
becoming
support
more day by day,
India's
they will not
I
they
While we are discussing this topic, we should not forget that US has always used each and every friendship he had to extract all the nutrients as well as the raw materials
Yes,
from
I
there
totally agree
at a
with
very
you,
discounted
Maybe
rate.
US would be
And this is a
indirectly
major
against
drawback.
our membership, but China is directly involved in this. That he is not a member of India has the permanent membership in their government.
Gentlemen, I believe we have limited time.
That China
Kindly consider the amount of time we have. So kindly speak one by one. Let 132 speak first. 182. Sorry, my.
I would say that China, maybe US is indirectly in against of our membership, but China is directly involved in this because he knows that in Asia, India is the largest competitor of it, and he knows the capability and the potential of India.
I
And
strongly
he knows
agree
that-
with number 182. We can see our trade relations with the China is strong, but he never support us in the getting of the United Nations permanent seat in the United Assembly. And talking about the United Nations General Assembly, we can see that lots of countries out of 192 countries has always supported us to get the permanent seat.
Our neighboring countries to involving our country to for trades and something like that, so that we can consider us the China is the main part to be stopping us to entering the UN.
Talking about another development of the United Nations permanent seat, we can see the group of G4 countries, where the group of Brazil and Japan and India and other countries are involved in this to get the permanent seat in United Nations.
we must
And
let chess number 38 say his thoughts.
As I was saying that as we see the news of the recently and the last year that the other countries are supporting India in the involvement in the UN, but it is China who oppose it again and again.
But I have one more concern, chess number 38. The problem here is that China has a veto power. Even though Japan, South Korea and all these Asian countries are supporting us, but we cannot forget that China has a veto power.
Strongly, I agree with chess number 154. If we want reforms in UNSC Council, then we have to need all these members to give.
Yes, I
Yeah, all
agree.
the five permanent
I
members.
agree with his point.
Although the USA is supporting the India, but in the meanwhile, the China is opposing the India in many cases. So not only USA can't say that India should get the membership in the Union Secretary.
I strongly
It is the
agree
veto-
with chess
It's
number
necessary
148.
to get
We can see there are 5
UNSC.
countries in the United Nations permanent
every
members,
nations,
and 4 of them are supporting us to get the permanent seat. But every time
Chess number
China
195, I know you have valuable thoughts,
And
but
not only
please,
the permanent
please let
membership.
chess number 123 speak as well as chess number 93 because they also might add on some information.
As I told you earlier, that USA has already been a dominant country in the whole world. It always wanted to dominate the whole world. So India, which has the potential to become next superpower, US will never support us. to
Yes, I
get
strongly
a
agree with
power.
chess number
I
123.
partially agree with you.
If we are-
We agree
and
with
India
you.
get-
But
India
India
get-
also support India
India
more
has
than
seen
more
and
than security and
connection with our neighbor.
Talking about I
And he-
partially agree with chess number 123. Talking about the recent development between the bilateral relation of the US and India, we can see we are getting a more strong relationship before previous times, and we can see our relation is getting stronger.
I
And
totally
we
agree
become
with chess number
we
199.
become an ally
We have
of
to
US.
strengthen
We
our,
become an ally of US, but
relationship
not
between the
officially.
most strong
But
India
India
has always
we
been
can see China has always opposed
We
us.
cannot destroy
But
our
there is
peace,
ambition
but the
of
best way
China
to
in the-
deal with it
And
is be
if we
afraid
see in
to
the
US
General
and
Assembly,
seek out
China
better
allows
as
this
well as
allies
the
like
veto
to
power.
Pakistan is opposing in again in the
China
General
want
Assembly
to
to
make
get
it
permanent
influence
seat.
in Central Asia and make it balance in the whole
For India.
Asia.
Yes, I totally
counter
agree with the just
India
number 38 that
cannot,
you have to make a balanced relationship with each country which has
We cannot be biased.
Against
and
number 38, we can
support
see that in Asia, Asia is one of the biggest continent in the world.
But
And
Indian
we can see
subcontinent-
only
Indian
China and
subcontinent
USSR
plays
have
a
a
vital
veto
role
power.
in
And
our
rest
nation.
of the other countries don't have any veto power and any representation in the permanent council in
But
United
we should
Nations.
not forget that India is the strongest and fastest growing economy.
Exactly.
So we should not consider us
with just number
That's why the
123.
China
But
is
we should
countering
not
India
forget
in the
that Indian
UN because
subcontinent plays a
China
vital
don't
role.
want to India to
Around the
conquer
world, everyone will come
influence
to
in the
India.
Yeah,
Because
because
India is a
they are mother
developing
of
country
the
as well as
democracy. They are known as
training.
mother of democracy. India has the largest population of young
scientists
China.
for the whole world.
In last 10 years, we can also see that China has many times opposed us in the United Nations Security
Yes,
Council.
I totally agree with just number
to-
199.
to,
You know what the issues of
to
Pakistan
allow-
also.
to announce a terrorist as an international terrorist.
Yes,
In
China
the
has
case of
always been
China
opposing
has opposed.
declaring a
India
national interest like
Indian
national
ocean
interest,
in the UN.
which
That's why
we should consider
we can
why
say that China is countering
Please, just
India.
number
As the China once said that the UN that countering India regarding the claiming of Indian Ocean and its influence.
yes, China has a very
Yeah, I
strong
also
policy
understand
of
that
opposing
China has
anything which is in
expand
space.
Yeah,
in the world.
by the way of they are acquiring a part in Sri Lanka by acquiring our country as their control.
Yeah,
We
I
should
strongly
not
agree with
forget.
chess number 268. We can see China has a dominance in the Southeast, South Asia and South Pacific, and he is a dominating member in the South Pacific Ocean. So China is
I
also
strongly agree with chess number 199. China wants
also
to be only
oppose
the
us
one
in
country in
the
Asia.
Gentlemen, I also feel that Western countries are feeling very dominated.
That's why
We
he
just
is
think
That's
that
why
they are
he
the
is
boss
opposing us.
around the
And
world.
that's why
That
we
India
were
is
the
India
India
is
Strategy in making it influence
Get
in
the
the
permanent
Indian
seat
Ocean, also
in
is making
UNSC.
a stream of pearls in the Indian Ocean. That are the strategy used by China to make it influence, and China wants to
Western
make it
countries have
influence.
always
That's why they
considered
oppose it.
themselves as the
He
head
always
of the
becomes the
world.
runner to the
They have
India,
always
because
ordered
he is having
every
position
subcontinent
of
around the world to dominate them. They have tried to ruin our raw materials and everything, every resources we were left with around the independence, right? So we should consider that China has a veto power, but it will definitely oppose us.
Make India develop
we will get
to
the permanent seat in the United
China.
Nations.
That China has good relations
And
with
Navy
the Pakistan. That is
did
why it
our
has
Navy
become the
staff
model for the
said that
India to become the secretary, to become the member in the secretary.
Yeah, I agree with you. Both our neighbors then they could not overpower
Gentlemen, we should not forget that China is acquiring slowly around the India. China has multiple bases in Pakistan as well as in Sri Lanka as well as in Bangladesh. We should take it.
Okay, stop your discussion now. This is what the process you will be following during your service selection board in GTO process. These are the two first tests where no physical activity was involved. You were only giving your mental contribution to your group members, and after this task you will be explored to ground for progressive group task, which will be requiring your physical contribution also towards your group. Right?
Yes, sir.
Wish you very good luck. Stay fit, stay healthy.